I've done a lot of chocolate recipes on the channel, but this has to be one of the most exciting ones so far. We're making a triple chocolate pastry which has got layers of chocolate cake, chocolate mousse and then chocolate ganache on top. Let's get started with the chocolate cake. In this bowl, I'm going to sift in the dry ingredients starting with maida, cocoa powder, baking powder and baking soda. I'm also adding in a pinch of salt. Let's give this a quick mix and set this aside. Now for the wet ingredients, I'm starting with some sugar, vegetable oil, homemade dahi and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's give this a good mix. This looks nice and smooth. I'm going to go in with my dry mix. I'm dumping all of it in and then mixing it in using my spatula. This looks good. Let's add in one final ingredient, which is warm milk. This looks good. My batter is ready. I'm going to transfer this into a 9 by 13 inch baking pan, which I've lined with parchment paper, leaving handles on all four sides. And now this goes into my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. I'll bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a skewer inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's move on to the next element, which is the chocolate ganache. I have some dark chocolate here. Onto this, I'm going to pour some warm whipping cream. And let this sit for a few seconds. Now using my spatula, I'm going to give this a good mix and you'll see that the chocolate begins to melt from the heat of the warm cream and we get a nice and smooth chocolate ganache. My chocolate ganache is ready. I'm going to divide this into 2 equal parts and let them cool completely. Now in a bowl here, I have some whipping cream. Using my electric mixer, I'll start beating it at high speed until it reaches soft peaks. This looks good. Now into my whipped cream, I'm going to fold in one part of the chocolate ganache that is cooled completely. It's important to just gently mix it in without actually deflating the cream. This looks good. This is our chocolate mousse and it's ready to go on top of our cake. My cake is out of the oven. I've let it cool completely and I've also leveled it. Let's soak it with some sugar syrup. Now our chocolate mousse goes on top and using an offset spatula, I'm going to spread it into an even layer. I'm now going to chill my cake with the chocolate mousse in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Once the chocolate mousse has set, you can add the other half of the chocolate ganache on top and spread it out into an even layer as well. So all 3 layers of our triple chocolate pastry are in place. Now before you cut it, I would recommend refrigerating it for another 4 hours so that you can get clean slices. If I say so myself, this is the perfect triple chocolate dessert. It's super light and perfectly balanced and a must try for anybody who loves chocolate. So give this recipe a shot and I'm sure you'll love it. I'll see you guys next week with another recipe. Until then, happy baking.